Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Nordli bed frame from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after you move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, some pliers, and a 1/8 inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the assembly process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit. So the first step is to simply take off both bed slats. Then grab your pliers and pull out 8 of these dowels. I would also recommend putting all the bits and pieces in a plastic bag so you don't lose them. Now grab the Allen key and unscrew these 4 screws. Next, you'll be taking out all 6 drawers. First, you'll have to unlock both drawer slides for each drawer. I lifted the bed up so you can get a better angle, but you can unlock them normally with the bed laying flat on the ground. It's just hard to see what you're doing. After unlocking each drawer, you can simply take them off the drawer slides. I recommend keeping the drawers assembled, as taking them apart will cause damage to the drawers due to the plastic pins. Next, go to this spot of the bed frame and unscrew these 3 cam lock nuts. The process will look like this. You can lose these cam lock nuts in the move, so I'd recommend putting some tape over them. Do the same thing in the future steps that relate to any cam lock nuts. Now take this piece off like this. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Next, unscrew these 3 screws. Then do the exact same thing for the other piece that's located here. Next, you'll be unscrewing 6 of these screws using the Allen key. Then repeat the same step for the other wooden piece. Now it's hard to show on camera due to the angle, but you'll be unscrewing these 16 cam lock nuts. Next, take the side panel off like this. Then pull out any exposed dowels. Now unscrew these 8 screws. Then do the same thing with the other side panel. Now, you can unscrew all the drawer slides. Next, go to this end of the bed frame and unscrew these 4 cam lock nuts. Then take this piece off like this. And again, take out any exposed dowels and unscrew these 4 screws. Now go to the other end and repeat the same steps. Next, you'll be unscrewing these 4 cam lock nuts. Then take these pieces off, pull out any exposed dowels, and unscrew these 4 screws. Then repeat the same steps for the other two pieces. Now unscrew these 16 cam lock nuts. Then disconnect this piece like this. Now pull these 4 metal pieces out and pull out any exposed dowels. Now disconnect this piece, pull out both metal pieces, and pull out any exposed dowels. And finally, repeat the same steps for the other piece. So you should now be done with disassembling the Nordli bed frame from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the bed frame, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully this disassembly tutorial helped you out.